Hello guys, once again welcome to Crypto Denzel TV. So guys, please, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, kindly subscribe to the channel, like my videos, comment on my videos, and also share my videos. I've created a new WhatsApp group and the link is in the description box. Kindly click on it so that you could be able to join my WhatsApp group. So guys, today I'll be showing you how to get free USDT for yourself, absolutely for free. You not pay anything and you not deposit anything. So stay tuned while we jump onto this site. So there is this site called clickprofit.vip. So guys, this is really super cool. Don't worry about the link, is in the description box. Kindly click on it so that you could be able to join this platform. So guys, if you want to register a new account with them, then you click on the option button over here. So then you click on the registration button over here. So if you click on the registration button, you will see some empty spaces provided for you to fill in your details. So you just type your mail, you type your password, then you retype your password, then you click on the human verification, then you click on the registration button over here. So that's what you basically need to do to get an account with them. So I'm already having an account, so I'll just click on to come in. So I'll just fill in my details and I'll log in right now. So guys, as you can see from here, this is my current balance, 20 USD bonus, and this is my current earnings over here. I started not long ago, just 2 days ago, and this is my current earning, absolutely free, you no pay anything and you no deposit anything. So guys, if you come to this site, all you need to do is do some simple tasks and you'll be earning some free USDT for yourself. So guys, if you come here, you just need to scroll down on your dashboard. So as you can see from here, they say view. For 30 seconds you'll be getting 0.001 USD absolutely for free. You not pay anything, you no deposit anything. So guys, let's do this quick view so that you could be able to earn this 0.001 USD. So guys, we wait for 28 wait for the 30 seconds to finish before we can actually get our free 0.001 USD. So guys, after the 30 seconds, then you click on the verification, the 59, to confirm that you are not a robot. So after it load, then you head back to your account again. So we head back to our account, then we refresh our page. So as you can see from here, our current balance has increased from 0.018 to 0.019. So guys, this is really super cool. All you need to do is register an account with them. If you come here, you'll be doing some simple tasks. So if you want to withdraw, you just click on the withdrawal button over here. So the minimum withdrawal is just 0.1. So that is the minimum withdrawal. So we go back to our dashboard. So guys, this is really super cool. So if you want to refer your friends and family so that you get more you get more bonus, then you click on the affiliate, you click on the partner over here, then you copy your referral link, share it with your friends and family on your social media platform so that you could be able to get more reward. So you quickly copy our link, then we will share it with our friends and family. So guys, that's all you basically need to do on this side to get more and more profit. So thank you for watching this video. If you find it really informative, give me a thumbs up, like my video, share my videos, and also subscribe to the channel. Guys, thank you for watching Crypto Denzel.